Hello again, everybody. Well, I'm near Cartersville again, and we are here at something very interesting. Don't see a lot of these anymore. Say hello to the Cooper's iron furnace. Now, it's obviously locked up, but this is a pretty cool looking piece of history. Now, I am across the river. One of my more recent older videos is over that way, and it's the Altoona Dam day use area, something like that. This is literally right across the river. And here's what a model of this furnace looked like when it was actually running. So this will be in another video. I'm actually going to go check out the Cooper furnace. And while it's going to look drastically different from what it looks like today, or in this day and age, this is what it looked like back in the day. But let's come up here and take a look. This is definitely not small. And they have it gated off to keep people from messing with it. But there still is a cool amount of history. I don't know how much I'll be able to see, but nope. You can see the bricks on the other side, so there would be a big chimney up in there, and there's 3 sides to this that allowed for airflow when they needed to get it out. But as you can see, it is way up there. Huh. Looks like what's left over of a little wall, and I guess the water flow for the creek would have come through this way. But this is pretty impressive right here. And time has definitely taken its toll. It's all, well, they had machines, just horse and steam driven. This is pretty impressive. And right over there is the Altoona Dam. You know, people built some pretty amazing things back in the day. You can also see that its weight is breaking it down over time too. Weight and probably when they were doing the heating and cooling cycles. Well, last time I was over there and I couldn't get as close. This time, I'm able to get right up to the dam. And this is most impressive. And it's right around the corner from that Cooper's furnace. Anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed my quick little look at the Cooper's furnace and Altoona Dam area. As always, I'm off to go on some more journeys. So until then, why don't you go on a journey of your own? We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.